the point of falls that you never see even on TV. So this is number 4, point number 4, right here in Victoria Falls. You can see water is still at the low level. It's not very high. We are still expecting more water to come through. Around March, April, the volume of water will be picking up. However, this doesn't make Victoria Falls to depreciate its beauty. It has its beauty every day. The majestic Victoria Falls continue to be beautiful every day. You can see our national flower. So this is our national flower, the lily. You can see how it looks like. So it's right here at number 2, point number 2. The view still beautiful. See how spectacular it is. The tourists continue to trickle. One thing about this falls, you can see those rocks. They are very, very strong rocks. They will never be faded. They will never be taken away by the water. They will never be washed away by water. It will remain strong as it is. If you can read this information peacefully. Without hurry, slowly but sure, and know what happened. So this is the information. So thank you so much, your guy Shamiso. We will meet again on the next episode. So today I just wanted to show you the national flower. It is found at number 2, at number 3. At number 3. Thank you.